Hey guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how I make my turkey, especially since it's around the corner. I really wanted to make this video specifically to help you guys and let you guys know it's not so hard as it seems. I know the turkey, it's so big, it's like, oh my god, it's a huge ass bird, but it's not hard, and I'm hoping this will help many of you out there. So stick around. Okay, so first things first, you gotta make sure you wash very good your turkey, and then you have to pat dry it with some napkins or whatever you want to dry it with. And I already washed mine. I'm already done patting it, so I'm just doing the leftover. Okay, so you got, and another thing too, you also have to make sure you tuck in the wings. Tuck in the wings, because when the wings are just sticking out like this, it looks pretty weird. So that's something I like to do. I like to tuck in my wings. It makes it look nice and organized. Okay, so what I do is I get some butter, and we're gonna put some butter in here. I'm gonna use like about a cup. Depending on the size of your turkey, that's how much you're gonna need. I think I'm good, or I'm gonna do a cup and a half. I just kind of tend to eyeball it. Okay, so once you have your butter here, I'm gonna add some rosemary. You can add fresh rosemary or some rosemary like this. And I'm just gonna add a little bit. About, I don't know, a tablespoon, I believe. Like I said, I always like eyeball everything. And then I'm gonna get some Italian style herb and just put some on here too. Some onion powder. And then I like to add paprika. Paprika is one of my favorite seasonings. And then you can also do smoked paprika, whatever you like. It's up to you, honestly. And then I'm gonna use some garlic powder. And don't be scared to add enough, and then you just mix, because this is what's gonna give your turkey the flavor. Just be careful with the salt, because the butter does have salt. So you just make sure you mix it really good, because this is gonna go inside the skin of the turkey. Just gotta make sure you mix it in really good. Okay, and like I said, don't be scared of the turkey. So I'm gonna clean out the little spoon. Try to use like one of these type of spoons, because they're very flexible, and you can just kind of, here, let me get you. You can just kind of poke in there and open it up. Let me move this stuff away so you can see very well. Okay, so this is the inside of the turkey, and you're just gonna kind of like slide the spoon in there to give it that opening so you can add the butter in there. This is what I like to do, because a lot of people just do the flavor on top of the turkey, but I think what matters is the inside as well. Just it's harder than a chicken, so you won't rip it as easy, but just be careful just in case. Okay, so now that that's done, you're gonna add some of your butter with seasoning, and then put it inside here. And then you can always use your hands too. Don't be scared of the turkey. It's not gonna bite you. And then you're gonna squeeze it in there. You're gonna kind of like push it back so it can go over here. And then you're gonna do it again. I don't mind getting myself, or you know, my hands dirty when it comes to this type of stuff. But if you guys don't like this or getting dirty, just be a little more careful, you know. Okay, same thing with this side. You just push it in there. Like this. That way it's nicely seasoned. And when it's ready, you get that flavor. Duh! Who doesn't want flavor on their turkey? It's not just all about salt and pepper. You know what I'm saying? Okay, so now that you guys have your butter inside the skin, you're gonna grab one of these. And you're gonna add some celery, carrots, onion, and what I like to also add are green peppers. Okay, so here it is. And then you're just gonna drop some of the celery and carrots. And then I like to add some green pepper. I like green pepper so much. It like makes a difference in the flavor. You have this stuff in here. If this is optional, you can always add water. But I like to add some chicken broth. Like that. That's good enough. You're gonna add your turkey in here. And then once this is done, you're gonna get some butter. I wanna say like maybe half a stick. And then you're gonna melt it in here. Add your fresh rosemary and sage. You're gonna leave it in here for a few minutes, and then your house is gonna smell so good. Okay, now when you see it like this, we're gonna go ahead and rub it on the turkey. All you're gonna do is just rub it onto your turkey. Because that's what's gonna give it the flavor for the outside. This is what's gonna make your turkey look very roasted, very brown. So once you feel like you have everything done, you're gonna get some tongs and stuff this in here. Now that's already on there. You can add some paprika. Basically all the seasoning you add inside of the turkey. And then I'm gonna add some pepper. I'm gonna add some salt. Don't forget to throw some in the turkey where you threw in the rosemary. And that's it. That looks so good. Okay, so now that you have your turkey set up, you're gonna put the temperature for 325. And this turkey was about 10 pounds, so I'm gonna leave it in there for about 4 hours. So I'll show you how it looks at the end. What are you still doing in there? The turkey's ready. Come on. Okay guys, so this is how the turkey looks. It's finally ready. Okay, so we're gonna start cutting. I'm scared. Oh damn, looks so good. Look at this. Let me see. Okay guys, sorry about that. Usually Serge is the one that cuts the turkey. Okay you guys, so that was it with the way I make my turkey. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you on my next one. Bye.